Doing under the chair. Come on out. Come on out. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You pick it on your sister. You can see the smaller one has some tan under her tail, but that seems to be the only tan she has. I don't see it on her face or her feet. Get out of the food! Okay, that works. There's Eli. He's out there watching his children. He goes, I want to see a DNA test. Now those are the two older ones having a disagreement. The difference between the two black ones, one of them looks a little bit curlier, but not much. One of them has longer legs than the other one. One also weighs a couple of tenths of an ounce more. Prudence, there's probably an easier way to get around the bowl. Pele, that's not your puppy on your head. At this point, she doesn't care. What's a few more? Your mama's under that chair. Yes, she is. Mama's under the chair. Oh, you gonna go join Mama? I see Mama down there under the chair. What happened to Viggo? That big rock move? Where's Viggo? Aww. Coco, you're being good with them. Hi, Viggo.